Hi, welcome to Pletronics. We're going to give you a demonstration of the Pletronics Pronto series. The Pronto series is a series of quick-turn oscillators from PLE. These devices have many advantages. Particularly with odd frequencies, you can get them within a day or two. In this instance, we're going to program up a device that is 2 by 2.5 millimeters, very small, and we're going to give it a odd frequency. Setting up the programmer to do this is very simple and very straightforward. All of these devices use the same base crystal frequency of 40 megahertz. We set the frequency we want, and in this case I'm going to do 125.125 megahertz. 125 megahertz is a very common frequency. 125.125 megahertz, not quite common. Which means if you need something a little bit off in frequency, you can get it quickly and easily. The programmer can set the devices up for 1.8, 2.5, or 3.3 volts. We set a ppm range. What this is the range you want the device to be in within nominal, so at room temperature. So I'm going to enter 5 ppm, which means I want it within 5 ppm at room temperature. Pin 1, in most clock oscillators, pin 1 is an output enable or a tri-state or a power down pin. The two options we have here is output enable and power down. I'm going to set it up for output enable. That's the standard choice. We can set it up for some different drive levels. 8 milliamps is the common one choice for these devices and type of devices. The calculation results, we don't need to put anything in here. The programmer itself will do all the calculation and fill that table in. We just need to make sure we click the button PLE on. Get the program device, and away we go. So as you can see, it's sitting here programming. It doesn't take that long. At the end of the programming cycle, it will say pass or fail. In this case, it says pass. So as we go down here and look through this information, the input frequency 39.999760, the offset from nominal for the crystal frequency at 6 ppm, but we programmed this device up at 125.125 megahertz, and the output offset was 1.12 ppm. So we're within our range that we set up in this device. We can also do a manual measurement if we wish to check. So in this case, I'm just going to do a quick manual check. Manual measurement, turn the voltage on, measure the device, and we're looking pretty close to frequency. So this is a quick demonstration of the programmable series line from Pletronics. We can do it in 2 by 1.6 up to 5 by 7 package sizes. Turnaround time a day or two. You can also do this yourself in your own engineering lab if you want to test a number of different frequencies, or if for some reason you want to test something for some forward error correction. We can supply programmers and blanks to customers in an engineering environment to do these themselves one up. In this situation, we're doing a single up, but we do have volume programming capability. And I will show you what the programmer looks like. In this situation, our programmer is very straightforward. It's a small box. We put a different socket on it depending on the size of the device we want to program. Launch the software and program it. And as I've said earlier, we can provide programming boxes to customers and blanks so they can do this in their own labs instead of waiting for a turnaround time from suppliers. Even in this situation, we can turn parts in 2 days, but if you're in a real hurry and you want to test different frequencies on your board, you're capable of doing it yourself. Thank you.